Hey everyone, Cody here with the Trophy Outlet. Today we're going to build a 32-inch 3-column trophy. So let's go ahead and get started. But first you're going to want to take your instruction sheet and make sure you have all the proper pieces and parts that you need to build your trophy. And we're also going to take a tape measure and we're going to measure all of the rods and all of columns to make sure that we have the correct sizes to build our trophy. Okay? So with that, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take a 18.5-inch rod. We're going to attach a coupler to the short threaded end of that. And then we're going to attach an eagle, just like that. And we'll go ahead and do that for all three of these. And this is going to be the bottom 3-column section of our trophy. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to go ahead and take your 3-column top lid. Okay, it's the triangle base, or the triangle lid. It's the smaller of the two, and it has a countersunk on one side and then a beveled edge on the other. So you're going to want to start with the beveled side up, the countersunk down. Okay, we're going to take our rods and we're going to stick them through the outer 3 holes on the lid, just like that. Okay, so now what I do is I go ahead and lay it flat on the table, just like so. I turn the eagle so that they're all facing up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt it to its side, and I'm going to slide everything on so that it goes on there nice and smooth and it stays on there. Some people turn it all the way upright, and you can build it that way. The only thing you want to be concerned about is breaking the eagle, so you got to be very, very careful doing that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. You're going to take your check rings. Go ahead and put your check rings on, just like that. We're going to take our columns, and today we're rocking the beautiful orange. And make sure the columns are set right inside of the check rings. That'll help you down the road once we get to the next step. So once that's done, we're going to go ahead and take our other 3 check rings and put those on there. Put those on the end of the rod. And again, make sure that the column fits nice and snug inside that check ring. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our bottom base, which has the slanted section. Okay, and we're going to put the slanted section towards the columns, just like that. So then you're going to go ahead and line up your 2 bottom holes and then your top hole. And then just go ahead and sit flat down on the table and then make sure all the columns are still sitting inside the check rings, and then you're going to go ahead and push in all of the rods. Alright, go ahead and get your hex nut started. And if your rods are sticking out the end, just go ahead and turn your eagle to tighten everything up a little bit so that you're not scratching tables or whatever you're setting your trophy on. Alright. Don't tighten it all the way, just go ahead and get it snug for now, but make sure it's loose enough that you can still turn the columns, because we're gonna straighten up these columns and straighten up the eagles how we want them before we tighten it all the way down. Alright, so what we do here at Trophy Outlet is we do 2 eagles to the front and then 1 to the back. But hey, it's your trophy, you build it how you want to. Alright, once that's where you want it, go ahead and tighten everything down. Make sure you hold the eagles at the top, otherwise they will spin on you. Alright, just like so. And that is the bottom section of your 3-column trophy. So now we're going to go ahead and start with the bottom trim piece. And for that we need a 5-inch rod. We're going to attach a coupler to that. And then you're going to attach whatever trim you chose. Today we got a flame. Alright, just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and turn that upside down. We're going to take our 1224 lid and we're going to go ahead and slide that on so that the raised edge is up against the trim. And then we're going to take our plate riser and you're going to put it on so that the smaller hole is facing the lid, and it'll fit right inside the lid. Okay? And then we're going to go ahead and turn this flat on its side. I'm going to turn it towards you so you can see. Flat on the side, just like that, and we're going to go ahead and put this right in, just like that. Go ahead and straighten everything out. Don't tighten it all the way yet. Straighten everything up where you want it, and once it's where you want it, go ahead and tighten it down the rest of the way. Careful not to over tighten it. You can bust some of these plastic pieces, so you don't want to do that. Okay, got that done. So now let's move on to the very top section of our trophy. All right, grab a 7-inch rod, attach a coupler, and attach your figure that you chose. We have hundreds on our website. Today I've got a flame. Okay, and you're going to turn that upside down. You're going to take your 1227 cup lid, which is the larger cup lid, and you're going to drop that on there so that the raised edge is sitting up against the figure. And you're going to go ahead and drop the cup on there as well, just like that. And then you're going to take your 3-column section, and you're going to go ahead and put that cup assembly right on top, just like that. And that is your 3-column trophy. Now the only thing we have left to do is we have to go ahead and put the engraving on there. So you're going to take your engraving, should just be a peel and stick. You're going to go ahead and line it up where you want it, press firmly so that it stays. And that is your 32-inch 3-column trophy from Trophy Outlet. Make sure you like us on social media. That's where we put all of our new updates, new products, things that are coming. Make sure you check out all the rest of our videos on YouTube. And of course, check us out at trophyoutlet.com and send us any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.